Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need the account and device permissions before you start. First, sign into the Google account that originally locked Safe Search. You must be the owner or have parental control rights. Once signed in, open Chrome or a browser and go directly to Google settings. Make sure you're not using a school or managed device because administrator policies override your changes. If a parental control app like Family Link is active, prepare its login now so you can disable the lock when prompted. Next, navigate to Google search settings and find the filters or safety section. You'll see the safe search option labeled something like Keep Results Family Safe. Toggle it off. Once done, Google may ask you to confirm by entering your account password or the parental control PIN. Provide it to unlock the setting. If the option is grayed out, check browser extensions and content filters, and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Reloading the page after authentication often applies the change. Finally, save your changes and refresh Google search. Perform a test search to verify explicit results are no longer filtered. If you don't see changes, sign out and back in, clear browser cache, or reboot the device to force settings sync. If Safe Search remains locked, inspect Family Link, your router's DNS, some filter via DNS, or any workplace/school admin policies preventing changes. As a troubleshooting tip, temporarily disable parental control apps and retry the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.